Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine. Today, me and Minahil are going to be showing you how to make this cute Hello Kitty with this special bow. So let's get started. So we have already made the shape of a cat since Hello Kitties are cats, and then we have made it the bows of the Hello Kitties, and then the eyes, and this step by step you will know how to make a cute and adorable Hello Kitty. Manahil and I really love catties like Hello Kitties and the rabbit that is with the Hello Kitties, and really cute things that you can always make in drawings. There is tons of things, cartoon characters, sceneries, and houses, and really awesome and cute things that you can make by using your mind to make a masterpiece of art. If you don't believe that you can make it, it means you'll never solve. But if you do believe that you can make it, you'll solve everything. So now I'm gonna start making the shoes, and Minal's also gonna start making the shoes. I don't know if she's done or if she's gonna start coloring. Now I'm gonna start coloring. I'm almost done, and I think Minal's gonna start coloring. So now we'll start coloring. Since we're done with our drawings, I will color blue color on the blue. I'll color blue color on the sides of the bow, so it looks super duper cute. And Nahil is coloring red color on the bow a little bit to the sides, and I think she's trying to cover the dots that we've made it on the Hello Kitty. She's trying to make the dots colorful. She's gonna just coloring, just keep on coloring it. So that looks super duper cute. I'm gonna color yellow color on the nose, and then I'm gonna start coloring. Oh, she's gonna color green color. So I really like the bow of Manahil's. It's almost good as mine, but she did the shadow right over there. It's okay. So usually I'm gonna color the dress purple, blue, dark blue, and purple, maroon, and some light purple and some dark purple. And Minahil is coloring rainbow color on the frock of the Hello Kitty. That's so cute. She's so much little that she doesn't know how to color, but still I really like the rainbow frock. Comment below if you have a rainbow frock. I don't have a rainbow frock, but I'm happy since I am such an artistic girl making these drawings. I hope you make all of my drawings. Now I'm going to color the skirt purple color, light purple color, looking so beautiful and cute. And then I'm going to start coloring in Minahil is usually coloring yellow on one side and orange on one side to make it look really cute. It's looking so rainbow-licious. I like yours, Minahil. I especially liked the frock as well of Minahil since it's rainbow colored. I wish I had a rainbow frock. I'm gonna also color some beautiful details on mine to make it really cute. And there are lots of tons of amazing details that you can do on your Hello Kitties. You can also color your own colors on your drawing. No need to copy me. Let's also make some cute hearts here to make it look cute. Minahil is coloring the shoes. And now I'm gonna start coloring the hearts. And I'm almost done, but after I'm done, I'm gonna wait for my sister because I don't know anything about my sister. Well, still, it's a really long video. Guys, subscribe, like, and share your video with with your family and friends. I'm gonna also color the eyeshadow on her, and she's coloring red eyeshadow. I'm gonna color pink eyeshadow. Looks so cute. Nahil is almost done. She just gotta color the sleeves. Perfect, it's looking cute. So what are you waiting for? Get a marker, a paper, and start making your drawings with me. And if you're getting it too hard, guys, you can also always pause the video and make your drawings with us. No matter to always draw with us, keep on not pausing the video. You always need to pause the video. You need to draw easily, not with hardness. Always share your colors and pencils with others. So what are you waiting for? Get a marker, a paper, and start making your drawings with us. Subscribe!